Welcome to Binize channel. Today I'm going to introduce you how to find the developer option in the autokit-tbox. First, you will need to click Setting, then click About autokit-tbox. After that, multiple clicks build number. Then go back to the previous page, and at the same time, if you wanted to check some factory settings, you can just find it here. And the password for factory settings is 9999. After that, still go back to the previous page, click System, then you will find the developer options at the last. Thanks for watching and welcome to purchasefrombinize.com.